Congratulations, you've completed your personalized care program at Optimal Chiro-Rehab Center. It's been an honor to walk this journey with you. From your first visit to now, your commitment has made all the difference. But healing doesn't stop here. Now that your body's reset, it's important to maintain your results with ongoing wellness visits, movement, and nutrition. Think of this as your maintenance phase, small steps that keep your progress on track and prevent setbacks. And how much maintenance do you need? It depends. A race car needs more maintenance than a sedan, so think how much wear and tear you're putting on your body. If you've had a great experience with us, we'd love for you to share your story. Leaving a review helps others find the care they need too. Your feedback means the world to us, and it helps us grow while continuing to serve our community. Thank you for trusting us with your care. We're proud of your progress and will always be here when you need us. And remember, health is wealth.